Today, I'm going to share with you how you can start making money every single day. Yes, every day. Whether you're someone looking for extra income or even a full-time income stream, there are 7 websites that can put you on that path. Let's get straight to the point and show you how to earn money from the comfort of your home. 1. UserTesting.com. Get paid to test websites and apps. If you enjoy giving your opinion on new websites and apps, UserTesting is the platform for you. They pay you to test websites and apps, and the best part is you don't need to be a tech expert. The process is straightforward. Sign up, take a quick test to show that you can follow instructions, and you're good to go. You'll start receiving invitations to conduct tests shortly after. Each test takes around 20 minutes and pays approximately $10. If you get the hang of it, you can earn up to $60 per hour just by testing new features from the comfort of your sofa. It's an excellent way to monetize your free time. Plus, you'll be helping major brands improve their products by testing out technological innovations before they hit the market. User testing also offers the opportunity to provide video feedback on your experience with certain websites or apps, which might pay even more. This allows you to get paid just by expressing your thoughts, and all you need is a computer or a smartphone with a microphone. It's a simple way to turn your opinions into cash. 2. REV.com. Transcribe audio into text. If you enjoy watching videos or listening to podcasts, Rev pays you to transcribe that content into text. Sounds simple? It is. They pay about $1 per minute of audio. Transcribing a 10-minute video can already put $10 in your pocket. If you're quick on the keyboard, you can easily make a substantial income without leaving your home. REV.com is particularly appealing because it allows for a flexible work schedule. You can work as much or as little as you like, picking up transcription projects that fit into your day. Additionally, Rev pays weekly via PayPal, so you'll never have to wait long to receive your earnings. As you gain experience, you can increase your efficiency and start to take on more projects, boosting your income even further. For those who prefer working with captions or subtitles, Rev also offers opportunities in these areas. Captioning videos or translating audio content into different languages can pay even more. It's a perfect gig for someone who enjoys detail-oriented work and wants a steady stream of tasks to complete. 3. Listverse.com. Create lists and earn money. If you're the creative type who loves making lists, Listverse will pay you to write articles in this format. From top 10 fun facts to the 10 best pizzas in the world, you can earn $100 for every list they accept. You don't need to be a professional writer. Just create unique and interesting content. The key to success with Listverse is creating engaging lists that attract readers' attention. Think of popular or trending topics, and use tools like Google Trends to identify what's hot right now. Your lists need to be well-researched and have a catchy title to stand out. Once approved, you'll earn a quick $100 per article, which is a fantastic deal for anyone who enjoys writing. To maximize your chances of getting your list published, ensure your content is informative, well-organized, and full of intriguing facts. Listverse is a platform where creativity really pays off. If you can find your niche in writing, this can be a consistent way to bring in extra income. 4. Prolific.co. Earn money by answering surveys. If you enjoy participating in surveys, Prolific is a legitimate platform that connects academic researchers with people like you who are willing to share their opinions. Each survey pays between $6 and $12, and the best part is they are short and quick to complete. To maximize your earning potential with Prolific, make sure to fill out your profile completely. This helps you qualify for more surveys. Once you're registered, keep an eye on your notifications. Surveys can fill up fast. Responding promptly is key to securing more opportunities to participate and earn money. Prolific is highly respected for its fair payment and academic focus. Unlike other survey sites, Prolific ensures that participants are compensated fairly for their time, and surveys are usually interesting and thought-provoking, making this a win-win for everyone involved. 5. Preply.com. Teach languages online. If you're fluent in a second language or simply enjoy teaching, Preply offers a great opportunity to make money by teaching online. You don't need to be a certified teacher. You just need to be able to communicate well and be willing to share your knowledge. Depending on your experience, you can earn between $5 and $25 per hour. Preply handles all the administrative tasks like payments and scheduling, so you can focus on teaching. The flexibility is fantastic. You can choose your hours and decide how many lessons you want to give. Whether you prefer to teach part-time or full-time, Preply offers a flexible way to earn money by sharing your language skills. The best part is that you get to work with students from all over the world, helping them improve their language proficiency. If you enjoy meeting new people and teaching, Preply could become a significant source of income, especially as demand for language learning continues to grow. 6. Clarity.fm. Offer consulting and make money. If you have expertise in areas like business, marketing, or even life coaching, Clarity.fm allows you to offer consulting over the phone and get paid by the minute. You set your own rates, and calls typically last around 30 minutes. Depending on your level of expertise, you can earn between $50 and $100 per hour. To increase your earning potential, it's crucial to create a detailed and professional profile that highlights your qualifications. The more specialized your knowledge, the more you can charge for your services. Consulting through Clarity.fm is a great way to monetize your expertise and provide value to people looking for advice in your field. The platform takes care of handling payments, scheduling calls, and other logistical tasks, so you can focus on delivering quality consultations. Whether you're helping someone solve a problem or guiding them through a challenge, Clarity.fm provides a way to leverage your knowledge for profit. 7. ClickBank Affiliate Marketing. ClickBank is one of the largest affiliate marketing platforms. You promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate link. The potential here is huge. Some affiliate marketers make thousands of dollars a month just by promoting products on social media or through blogs. To succeed in affiliate marketing, it's important to find products you genuinely believe in and create quality content to promote them. This can be through a blog post, a YouTube video, or even a social media recommendation. The more effort you put into creating engaging and valuable content, the higher your chances of making sales. Affiliate marketing with ClickBank allows you to work from anywhere and scale your earnings based on your efforts. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash or build a long-term business, ClickBank offers the tools and resources to help you succeed. These are just a few of the ways you can start making money every day from the comfort of your home. Whether it's testing websites, transcribing audio, creating lists, or offering consulting, there are endless opportunities to turn your time into income. Don't forget to check out our previous video for more tips, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for new daily content. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more inspiring content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share. Until next time, may your ideas become great achievements.